And we're back. Boom, boom. Had to do something. Got the first one done. Let me see how we rolling. Get this section on. This section. I was wondering why this thing was off because I remember I took it off. Because I was talking about my hair clip. How y'all feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? Right here. Gotta separate it. Who the hell is calling me unknown? Yeah, leave me an unknown voicemail. But anyway, I'm just glad this thing ain't in because sometimes, you get the feeling stuff like the end. Oh, I forgot. Trying to get my hands right with the clips and stuff. It's harder to do it like this. I'm trying to switch it. Oh, because I got it like this. And I grab it like that. And I turn it over. Yeah, I got it. I got it now. I got it. It looks complicated at first, but it's really not. Once you realize, you just kind of twisting. Let me know if y'all want to see a tutorial on this. Just kind of finish the ends off. Oh, that doesn't look too weird. I like it. Oh, I like that one. That looks a lot better than this one. That's because it was my first one. You know what I'm saying? But shoot, yeah, that looks flea. That looks flea. Hey. They say it's in the section, eh? Let's find out. You know what I'm saying? But shoot, I can give y'all probably like an in-depth one, in-depth definition like later. But shoot, I'll let y'all know. Here we go. That thing right here with this is that you have it in between your middle finger, right and farthest away, and then I put it in the middle, my index finger and my thumb. Let me see. Hope I didn't just lose my part. First time doing them clips. Ah, some of it is from here. I didn't know. I just crossed. And everyone, I got my thumb is at. Let it over. Cross. Twist over. Here's my thumb. My twist. Here's my thumb. Twist. Using my thumb. Just follow your thumb. Wherever the thumb is at, that's where you grab with your middle finger. Twist. And then you finish it off. Pretty much like that. Ooh. I'm adjusting because it's my first time using clips, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. What am I doing? Hell. I think I'm gonna undo this one. Dang, I didn't think it was that tight. I'm just looking at the clips. Yeah, that's why I got so much hair. I love it, but it's like, shoot, I just gotta be more careful. It's my first, like I said, it's my first time using clips. Let me see. That bit, that bit braided in there. That is braided in there. Frick. It is braided in there. Let me have to undo this. That's cool. I'm not even tripping. It's a gift. That's why, cause when I was braiding this one, it got thinner at a lot. When it wasn't as close to the bottom as I wanted it to be, so I had to twist it off with a 2-strand twist. Hot. I'ma say how to do it. It go right foot. Want to swing from the chimney. Dang, I just do this instantly? Nah. I can't twist over. Follow my thumb with that. Pull the index finger, have it down grips into my palm, have it clasp my middle finger in my palm. You'll see that. I just do the same process, twist. Grab my index finger, twist, same thing. I'm twisting because it's with my thumb. Anytime I see my thumb after I twist, I'm grabbing my middle finger. Anytime I see my thumb, I twist, grab my middle finger. Just the other side. As you get better, you'll be able to do it a lot faster. If you need to, you just think of it and watch it like it's in slow motion. You dig? Have my thumb over, I twist, and I grab my middle finger. Twist, grab over, and I twist. Over and I twist. Grab it 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 over and I twist. Take it and just finish it off. Bro, I'm over here trying to make sure I look that right in the camera. I got braid some of it off. All right, you feel me? Just go for technique. A lot of people try to go for perfection. Perfection comes with, doing it over and over again. That kind of goes against the saying quality over quantity. Yeah, the rule of quantity to get the best quantity. Anytime you do something for the first time, you're gonna suck, man. Nobody's ever gonna tell you like that, but that's just what it is. Same process, twisting, braiding, twist, palm of the thumb, twist, thumb, twist, thumb. Nope. Stay in your section. Fan shut off. If y'all don't get a pattern, let me know if y'all want me to do something a little different. Where y'all see me do a slow version. Why I just show y'all. But yeah, man's just going for the pattern. That one's on. Tighter. I like that. Anyways. Oh, okay. It is what it is. I'm not even stressing. I think I'm gonna make this slimmer. I'm gonna end up adjusting this. But yeah, I still got a bunch more to do, y'all see. But make sure you guys hit those links in the description. All that. All the buttons. Do a lot of these. Do a lot of these. Let me know what you think. Alright, peace.